Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zendesk for AI ticket summarization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Zendesk for AI ticket summarization, begin by logging into your Zendesk account. Once logged in, navigate to the admin panel located in the left sidebar. In the admin panel, select the Apps and Integrations section. Within this section, click on Marketplace to access the app marketplace. In the search bar, type AI ticket summarization to find the relevant app. Locate the AI ticket summarization app from the search results and click on it. On the app's detail page, click the Install button to initiate the installation process. You may need to grant permission for the app to access your Zendesk data. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary permissions, including access to ticket information. Once installed, return to the admin panel and navigate to Installed Apps. Locate the AI Ticket Summarization app in the list of installed apps. Click on the app to open its settings page. Here, you will find options to configure the summarization settings according to your needs. Input any necessary API keys or authentication tokens as prompted. Adjust the summarization parameters, such as length and style, to suit your organization's preferences. To test the integration, create a sample ticket in Zendesk. Once the ticket is created, allow the AI ticket summarization feature to process it. Review the summarized output generated by the app to ensure it meets your expectations. If adjustments are needed, revisit the app settings to make modifications. With successful authorization and configuration, you can now use AI ticket summarization efficiently. Regularly check for updates or new features in the app marketplace to enhance functionality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.